Santos girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Santos Bravos 0%, and yes, we have a simple song here to play with a cape ball high up on the 6th fret. If you want to play, match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible, this is the best scenario. Let's go into it. And we're going to start with the C major 7. Alright, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Next up is B7. It's a bar chord. So you place index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on B. E minor 7. Very simple grip. You play all strings here. The only thing you need to hold is the 2nd fret A string. All the other strings are open. Then we have the D minor 7. So that goes open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. I play a short little bar on that 1st B and E string. And finally we have the G6. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, open E. Alright, and that will be the chord progression through the entire song. Now let's go into the strumming. It goes like this. Okay, so it's 1 down, short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, so we're gonna play the C major 2 string rounds, the B7 2, the E minor 2, the D minor 1, and G6 1. So C2, B2, E2, D1, G1, like this. Beautiful sound there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, or even 1% helpful, then let me know. If it's 0% helpful, then yeah, leave me a comment why, because it's strange. It should help you to perform this song from Santos Bravos. Thank you for watching, guys. Next time, play tuned.